Are you thinking of borrowing a car from a friend or family member? Now, before you grab the keys, there are some important legal and insurance steps you need to follow in the UK. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to borrow a car safely and legally, so you don't end up with fines, points on your licence or worse. Now, first things first, you must have the owner's express permission. It sounds obvious, doesn't it? But without their clear agreement, it could technically be classed as taking without consent, which is a criminal offence. Next, insurance, and this is the biggest one. You cannot legally drive any car in the UK without valid insurance. Now, some comprehensive insurance policies let you drive other people's cars, but often this is third-party cover only, and not all insurers include this anymore. The safest way is to either be added as a named driver on the owner's policy or take out temporary car insurance in your own name. Now, that way, if you do have a bump, the car owner won't have to face a huge repair bill, and that could really spoil the day for both of you, couldn't it? You can usually buy temporary car insurance very, very quickly online for a borrowed car, and it could cost a lot less than you expect. It keeps both you and the car owner fully protected. Now, before you drive, make sure that the car itself is legal. Has it got an MOT? Is it taxed? Both of these are very easy for the car owner to forget about, and you can check the MOT and tax status for free on the gov.uk website. Now, even if you're insured, you can't legally drive a car without these. You also need the correct licence for the type of car. If you only have an automatic licence, you cannot borrow a manual car. If you were caught, you would face penalties for driving otherwise than in accordance with your licence, and your insurance would likely be invalid. Now, any fines or penalties like parking tickets, speeding offences, congestion and ULEZ charges, these will go to the registered keeper first, which means your friend or family member will get the letter. But if you were driving, they'll need to pass it on to you, or even formally name you as the driver. So in the end, you'll be the one responsible for paying or contesting it. Now, this can be a whole lot of hassle for everyone. So do take extra care not to fall foul of any regulations. So to recap, get the owner's permission. Check MOT, tax and roadworthiness. Have the right licence. Remember that you're responsible for fines and penalties whilst driving. Make sure you're insured. Now, this is absolutely vital, and the penalties for driving whilst uninsured are very heavy. The car owner can be prosecuted too for allowing a vehicle to be driven without insurance. Now, do these steps and you can borrow a car in the UK legally and without worry. And if you need insurance, go to prudentplus.co.uk and get a quick quote. It only takes a very short time, and it could save you a whole lot of trouble. Good luck. Enjoy your motoring.